Good morning. It's Tuesday, and we're back with another edition of Tredomatix Daily Financial News, where we break down the markets and offer essential insights to keep you informed. Don't forget to subscribe and visit Tredomatix.com for the latest market updates and more. And starting with U.S. stock markets, on Monday, the Dow Jones and S&P 500 both closed lower after 6 weeks of record highs. The Dow dropped by 344 points, or 0.8%, while the S&P 500 lost around 0.18%. But the Nasdaq showed some resilience, gaining 0.27%, thanks to Nvidia's continued rise. According to Carol Schleif, Chief Investment Officer at BMO Family Office, after 6 weeks of record highs, it's no surprise the market is taking a breather. And in bond market news, Treasury yields are climbing. The 10-year Treasury yield hit a 12-week high of 4.17%, raising concerns about rapid economic growth. Investors are worried this might lead the Federal Reserve to keep interest rates higher for longer, potentially cooling down market enthusiasm. Moving on to corporate earnings, Tesla, Coca-Cola, and Texas Instruments are all set to report their results this week. After a relatively strong start to earnings season, investors are cautious, with some taking profits ahead of these big reports. 83% of companies reporting so far have beaten expectations, so it's definitely a high-stakes week. Now, in Asia, markets dipped as investors hunkered down ahead of key elections in both the US and Japan. Japan's Nikkei fell 1.4%, touching its lowest point in weeks, while the yen weakened against the dollar, reaching 151 yen per dollar. The political uncertainty is adding a layer of caution to an already volatile market. And lastly, over to commodities, Brent crude futures edged down 0.3%, trading at $74.10 a barrel, with oil markets still under pressure from China's slower demand growth. Meanwhile, gold is holding strong, up 0.4% to $2,729.91 an ounce, driven by ongoing global uncertainties and expectations of central bank rate cuts. Thanks for joining us today. If today's news was valuable to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of market trends. Come back tomorrow for more detailed analysis from the world of finance. Happy trading!